As you can see, I draw the skin much more triangular shape in this picture, not the round. Because in the cross section, our leg region has triangular shape form. Even if you will put your fingers and palpate it, you will see that it has the angle, which is corresponding with the anterior margin of your tibial bone. Tibia located more superficially, fibula located a little bit deeper. By the way, the palpated anterior surface, you see that fat is back developed. Bone is palpated here. Much more better fat is developed in the posterior surface. About skin. Skin is generally elastic and movable in all leg region, but much more elastic medially than laterally. We have the hairs in anterior surface, especially for the males. We have sweat and sebaceous glands. Now, next layer, which I will draw by blue color, it will be the proper fascia. Proper fascia generally has two layers in all parts of extremities. Little after I will show for you both layers, but generally remember please, and in upper extremity, and in lower extremity, proper fascia have two layers. For example, last time that we drew the thigh region, I showed these two layers. Yeah? Septus originated from deep layers, and generally the part which is called broad fascia, it is the superficial layer of it. Now let's draw the bones. I will do it by green color, medially triangular shaped bone, which is located very superficially. This is the, let's put the numbering. First of all, number 1, it is skin. Number 2, it is proper fascia. Number 3, it is subcutaneous fatty tissue. You can see that posteriorly it is a little bit more developed, yeah? Number 4, it is the tibial bone. It has 3 margins, 3 surfaces. Little bit laterally and deep to it, I draw the second triangle 5. It is the fibular bone. It is smaller, much more smaller. And between them, we draw the interossal membrane, structure number 6. It is connected the interossal margins of the tibia and fibula to each other. For tibia, it is the lateral margin. For fibula, it is the medial margin. But anyhow, we call it interossal margins. Let's continue. Now, proper fascia gives the intermuscular septus. But what is the specific? In the region with single bone, septus contain double layers. They have interfacial space. In the region of more than one bone, it contains only one layer. The interfacial space is absent. Let's draw this septus. First one attached to the anterior margin of the fibula. It is structure number 7 in our region. We call it anterior interossal septum of the leg. It contains one layer only. And second one attached to the posterior margin, number 8, we call posterior interossal septum of the leg. That's why we have anterior septum, which is attached to anterior margin, and we have posterior septum, which is attached to the posterior margin. That's all the structures which is make the division. Now you can see 3 osteofacial compartments. Compartment 1, compartment 2, and compartment 3. Compartment number 1 we call anterior compartment. Or compartment of plantar extensor muscles. Number 2 we call lateral compartment or compartment of peroneal muscles. And number 3 we call posterior compartment or compartment of the plantar extensor flexor muscles.